In this video I will show you how can you add a Lightbox or the promotional box, or you may call it like as a pop-up things. How can you include that on Wix? So at first you need to go to add element, and then from here you need to go to interactive. It will be look like that way. You need to go to interactive, then you can see here Lightbox. If you will click welcome, then you can see here some pre-made Lightbox. You may use them, or you need to use one of them to do that. You can see here welcome, the subscribe Lightbox, the promotion, the contact as well. You may take one of them. Let me take this one, subscribe, or let me take this one, join our list. Okay, so it has been added. We have here some important setting things that we need to do. Let me wait. Okay, so this is the Lightbox. It's come from right side. So here have the important setting things. You need to click the Lightbox, then you need to go to the settings, and then you can see here is the Lightbox name. So if I will keep the name look like that way, here is the option, the important option, automatically display Lightbox on pages. So if you will make it yes, then it will automatically, let me show it to you, it will be automatically showing up on your website when anyone visit your website. So now if I will make it publish, and then if I will click view site, then when I will navigate on it, then I can see here this is the pop-up things automatically come to me, and I can close that. Wait. Okay, then if you will make it no, then it will not automatically pop up. So let me make it no and make it publish, and now if I will reload it here, then I can see here no pop-up things. So if I want to include it customly, then like as I need to go to the site menu, the home, and let me include a button there, and then I will make it the clickable. When I will click the button, then it will be pop up. So I take a button from the add element option, and let me link the button with the Lightbox. So I need to go to here the Lightbox, and I can see here list of the Lightbox that I have created on my Wix website. So I just need to select from here subscribe, join our list, and then click done. Now if I will make publish the website, and let me reload the website now, and then I can see here the button. If I will click there, then I can see the Lightbox. So look like that way you can include a Lightbox on your Wix website. So like as you have included that, then how you can find the Lightbox when you want to edit it later? So you need to go to here the pages, and then you need to click manage page, then you can see here the Lightbox option, and you can see here all of the Lightbox that you have made on your website to use. Okay, so look like that way. You just need to click on it, then the Lightbox will be open there. Here have some more option. Here have the layout where you want to place that, and you can include a animation there, like is how it will interact when it will display on our website. Here have some of the animation, you may include them on your website, and here on this section you can include more item if you want to add, like as you want to replace the image, you want to write another word there, you can do everything whatever you want to do with that. Okay, so look like that way you may include a lightbox on your Wix website. Thank you so much.